guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but welcome back to the channel. Today we are just hanging out at the pool again. I didn't want to start it off in the car because I always start these vlogs off in the car. But I know our last video was just another pool montage mixed with a bunch of other montages, but we're here again and it's really windy and it's really loud, so you're not going to be able to hear me. So here's your pool montage. Buckle up. Did you have fun? Yes. What'd you do?
I played.
You played, right? Good job. All right, now we gotta do these ones. Okay. Let me get that one. All right, you got it? You got it?
Help me.
Buckled up. You ready to go bye-bye?
Yes.
Say bye-bye, pool.
Bye-bye, pool.
I'll see you later.
I see you later.
All right, you guys, of course, I'm back in a car, but I'm actually surprising Kellen with something. Okay, so he's a dog trainer. Let's reverse. Yeah, he's a dog trainer, but he has like a little sedan car, so he can't do what he needs to do in his car. So he's been borrowing a car from his work, or a truck from his work. So what I'm doing today, since Father's Day is just like a couple weeks away, I'm going to take his little car. He has like a little Nissan Sentra. It was his first car ever, and I'm gonna take that and trade it in and get him a brand new car. I'm super excited about it. I really hope everything works out for him. Oh, he's about to pull up. I had to get his other key because only one of his keys really works. The other one is really crappy. But I'll be right back. Okay, so anyway, I had to get his key, the other key, because I gotta have both keys to turn in so that I can drive away with his new car. I don't want to tell you guys what he's getting because I mean it could change. But I'm on my way now to take this one through the car wash and get it, just a little bit spruced up, and then I will show you guys his reaction. I'm so excited because he has no idea what's going on.
Cleaned up, full tank of gas.
Sweet. Thanks, man.
You're not gonna look at the trunk? That was like the only thing you asked me to look at.
You're recording?
I'm recording. Spoiled. You're so spoiled.
What do you mean?
Your first car, we got you that one. With 4 miles on it, and now your second car is exactly what you would want it to be. Well, not exactly what you want to be, because you would get that Transit out there.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Probably.
You nerd.
Those pop out.
Okay.
You can throw them in the garage.
Sweet.
Ready to show Daddy's truck? Say, this is the new truck. We surprised Daddy with the new truck. Woohoo! Do you like it? So, he's mostly using this truck for work. Like to take the dogs back and forth to work and take it like on seminars and stuff. So we didn't want to buy anything brand new. So, shoot. I stepped in their water.
Really?
So we got him a Denali. I know it's kind of dark, so it's hard to see.
Denali, it's a GMC Yukon.
A Denali GMC Yukon.
Denali
GMC Yukon. Okay, he's getting mad. So here is the official car tour. Shouldn't these lights come on automatically? Yeah. So here it is. It's an older car, but there's leather seats. He's got a sunroof. Why he needs a sunroof, he doesn't. And then he's got like a little screen right here. It really is a nice car. He's got heated seats. Oh my gosh. Let's see, is there a way to turn the back lights on from here? I don't think so. Okay, and then in the back seat, and then we have 2 captain seats in the back seat, and those ones are heated too, and then they can also control their air and stuff right here. So it's perfect for the kids, and he could fit 2 kennels in the back. And then there's a DVD player right here. How do we do? Oh, okay. So we can hook. Oh, look, you can hook like a game system up to here. But we got a DVD player, the leather seats, and it's got like the little captain arms that you can put down and you can drive with.
Come on, Reginald, let's go in.
He literally got the car that I would want. Like my dream car is to have a Tahoe, and he basically has just an older version of a Tahoe.
Go.
But he loves it. I was really skeptical at first because on the way home he was concerned that the kennels wouldn't fit. And that was like his biggest thing. He has to have at least 2 kennels fit in here. 2 crates. Kennels, same difference.
It's not the same thing.
They're the same thing.
No, it's not. Kennel is a runner.
But anyways, he had to be able to fit 2 crates in here, which we found a way for them to fit. At first they didn't. It fit really weird. But we figured it out. He loves his new car. Right? You love it?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yes.
I was really getting upset on the way home. Like my feelings were really hurt.
I shouldn't have been hurt. I wasn't. It had nothing to do with you.
It's your mommy.
Well, it would have had everything to do with me because I would have bought you a car.
You didn't. I was there. I make my own decision.
Okay, but like you didn't look at it and stuff.
I did look at it. Right when I got there, did I not?
Yeah, but like a brief overview. Like
I knew that it
I
wasn't.
felt like maybe I should have been the one to, you know, done a deeper detail, which I would have brought a kennel.
I already knew that it wasn't as big as a Suburban.
But it's
Did
nice.
he tell you that? Though, really?
Yeah, he thought it was.
You can't just think. I knew it wasn't.
Well, he loves it, and I'm so glad. I'm driving it to work tomorrow, and then I'm gonna pick him up from work, and then the car's his. But that is it for today. You guys want to say bye? Avery, come say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
In our next video.
On this video.
Bye.
Bye.